right, so we are taking Bee in Your Bonnet, and I have an already prepped nail. If you watched my previous tutorial with the Jimmy Gel overlay on both hands, this is the next part of that. I'm not quite sure what order they will be in, if there is a video in between. So that overlay, and now we're coming in with Bee in Your Bonnet, which I love. This may be my all-time favorite glitter from Light Elegance. I know that's a very bold statement to make. I just love this glitter. This is one of the first colors, or I should say glitters, or like first order. I got this color, or I should say glitter, not color. I got this glitter because when I saw it on the website, I was like, I need this. I don't know what I was watching, what I was doing, because I only got like, I think a couple, and I believe this was literally like the first one I added to my cart because I am a sucker for glitter. When my reorganization of my gels come up, you will see I am a sucker for glitter. So I'm applying a very thin layer. I'm not floating this at all because I have that semi-structured Jimmy Gel underneath. Hindsight 2020, maybe wouldn't have made the Jimmy Gel as thick, but I'm not really mad at it. It is what it is. So we are going to do a second layer and I will catch you right back. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you mean nothing more to me, 'cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side. Now taking Jimmy Gel again, doing a super thin layer on top of this. That's because the glitter is a little chunky, meaning like it's not as smooth. It's not really that chunky, but like it's not smooth. So when we are gonna come do the inks over it, which I have a video on the inks that I use already, and you will see a smooth top is definitely the way to go. So we will apply the Jimmy Gel all over the nails, and then we are going to take Ugly Duckling's matte top coat and apply that over this, and I will catch you back. Up the matte top coat, it did look like I buffed the nails to smooth them out a little bit more. We are taking number five from EV Nails, and you want to use acetone with this. This, I think in my review video, I used alcohol by accident. So use acetone. And to be honest, I wanted it not to be super blended. I was kind of going for a layering look. So you'll see that there's certain parts that I want blended, and then there's certain parts I do not want blended. I mean, that was very technical there. So I apply these on the nail. I'm taking a cheaper brush. I do not use expensive brushes when doing any type of alcohol or acetone. Again, this is acetone because that's what it recommends. And if you notice, I have a pad next to me that has acetone on it. So when I'm dabbing, I sometimes dab a little bit extra off, or I'm wiping off some of the pink because I don't want pink there. So I always have a little pad next to me. It's not necessarily always in the videos, but I think it's important to show that wiping things off when it's too much is really the way to go. Don't force yourself to use what's on the brush. Wipe it off, come back, add more. Like, don't overthink these. These are easy to use. I find just playing around, you'll eventually get something that you like. And if you don't like it, wipe it off and start over. I don't think I wiped any of mine off because I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to roll with it because why not? We just going to roll. Now, I applied the mccart foil gel here, but I only applied it in like little pieces on my other nails. I applied it like just over the whole thing. It was way easier to do that. So just apply a full layer of that, stick down your foils, and then we good to go. So since these are a little bit rougher, this isn't like a nail foil, this is like loose foil, that we are applying Jimmy Gel on top. And I believe I will make it a little bit more structured. I could be completely wrong. I've been on vacation and I'm coming back to edit these. These were my vacation nails. By vacation, I mean I went to my husband's house in Florida, his family, his parents' house. Okay, that's what I did. Now it's coming back to me. So I applied the Jimmy Gel because we want to seal in that pink. And now I'm coming in with the white. I think in that video I showed the white does not work. It does work, you just need to use the right thing, which is acetone. So applying the white here, and we are going to apply that to all of the nails, and I will do it in different parts of the nail, and then I will do some on top of it. So it kind of looks random, but not, what's the word I'm looking for? Like not structured, but I obviously want to go over some of the pink because I can't have it not be over the pink. And I believe I add a little bit more white to some of them. So finishing up this white, we will let it dry and then we will apply a top coat. I do show you my non-dominant hand, like using my non-dominant hand to my dominant hand, because I showed you in the Jimmy Gel both hands for the prep. So I figured I'd show you the design on both hands. I struggle a little bit with my non-dominant hand, so be nice. But I'm just gonna let you watch some music and do that part because you don't need to hear me repeat it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.